Okay, here, look at the camera. What message? Oh, you're gonna sit up there. Okay. What message did you?
I have a bouncy tail.
A bouncy chair.
Oh. And move it.
What message did you want to give Grandpa John?
This, monster cock. Magic.
Can you show him how the monster truck works?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. So there's a grate on the front, like a big brush bar. And then can you show him the exhaust?
Let me show him.
Yeah, that's cool. Does the window open so people can order?
Yes. But it's a little.
Oh, it's a little broken. That's okay. Can I help you fix it?
Yeah.
Okay, and then that folds up. Now, can you show him the staircase?
The staircase, yeah.
I'll show him that this folds up and then this. So you can walk up the stairs.
Walk.
And then you can get a burger
Walk.
from the Monster Truck Burger Machine. A
Yeah.
Monster Burger.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you have to say to Grandpa John, honey?
Thank you.
Thank you. Remember, he's in the hospital, so we want to see him soon.
Okay. And here's a big hamburger right on the top. Bounce. He bounced up right on the ground.
You want to push it to me? Pretty cool monster truck.
Hey.
Monster Truck Burger. Alright. Well, work hard.
And I
Get
have
home
to
soon.
call him
Oh, Tommy's going to show you one more thing. What do you want to show him?
Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
We can put it down so we can see it. And then we can put it up. And then this was a police car.
And show me, how big of a hug would you give Grandpa John if he was here right now? The biggest. Wow. That was a really big hug.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we go to get one more.
Okay, we've got more.
I mean, two more things.
Two more. Okay. Tommy's going to show you two more things.
Yes, these things can open.
Ooh. Can we look inside the open doors?
Oh,
Ooh.
yes, milkshake. Yes, beer.
There's ketchup and mustard.
No, yes, not.
Oh, sure. That's what the yellow and the red bottles are, Tommy. You want to show them inside?
Yeah. And these. Oh.
Oh, there's a chair in here.
But nothing else.
Yeah, where's the umbrella?
The umbrella, which umbrella? What umbrella? What umbrella, Dad?
The umbrella and the little burger. There's a couple of other cool pieces that go with it. All right, do you want to give him one more big hug?
And then we go do one more.
Oh, one more thing. Okay.
Yeah. And this has to go back on right now.
Oh, good job.
Now I have to close the doors. Look at this sign. This sign.
Oh, that sign. Do you know what it says?
This is the Hamburger cock monster cock.
Okay.
And it has big wheels and it's inside all around this had a, and this had a, and then if you put this finger, it will look like a police car, and then it will drive around all of your house. Thank you.
Okay. Tell Grandpa John you love him. And then
I love you.
you look here and say, I can't wait to see you soon.
I can't wait to see you too.
Okay, one more big hug.